everyone, welcome to Cooking Beautifully. What are you cooking today? Today I have Chef Justin here.
Hey.
Hey Justin, what do you think about summer?
I always think about berries in the summer.
Yeah, summer is berry season. Is there any local farm that you like to go to?
I really love Kimball Fruit Farm, and they really have the best strawberries, I think,
Wow,
in the area.
I should go there this summer maybe. And what I like to do is after I harvest the fruits, I like to make some ice cream. And today we were just thinking maybe put some Asian twist on this dish. So we are going to use miso, to challenge the boundary between sweet and savory. You may think that miso is for soup or for fish, but they can be amazing, in dessert. There are different kinds of miso. There's a red miso, yellow miso, and white miso. So white miso was fermented in shorter period. So it's more like, it's subtle and it's a little bit sweeter compared to red and yellow miso. And we're going to make our ice cream. Let's get started.
So the first thing we need to do is incorporate some air into our egg yolks. And we're going to do that by putting the egg yolks into the bowl with some sugar. And we're going to beat it to the ribbon stage, or until it gets pale yellow in color. Okay, that's good, huh? And we're going to add our miso, and then we will go and forward and temper our milk.
So in order to create the strawberry flavor, we want to have a Vitamix. But I would say if you have any food processor at home, that should work. Just dunk all of your strawberry there with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and just crank it up to the highest speed and you're all good. So now we have our egg and miso ready. We have our strawberry juice ready. One thing that's very important to do is temper. Temper is we are going to heat up the milk and just slowly bring the milk to our egg mixture. Do you know why we need to temper? Because if you don't temper, you cook the egg yolk, you're gonna have scrambled egg in your ice cream, and you never want scrambled egg in your ice cream, right? So it's very important to temper, and temper usually you can do it by yourself, but if you have a partner, like I'm so lucky to have Justin here, so we're just gonna do this together because teamwork makes dream work. So now we are going to bring everything over to the stove and temper our ice cream base. So now we are cooking the cream, and when the cream gets hot, I will start to ladle some cream. Justin just continue to whisk. We call this temper because if you do not temper, remember you're going to have a scrambled egg in your ice cream, and that will be the last thing you want in your ice cream.
Fast.
More.
Slowly
Yeah.
temperature.
Yes. This is a way to prevent to have scrambled egg in your ice cream. And also, you don't want to add any vanilla extract at this stage because it's gonna evaporate. And after most of the cream is now in the mixture, we are going to pour the whole thing back and then cook it. Wonderful, and just continue to whisk. And now it is very critical that you constantly check the temperature of your ice cream base. Okay.
Great.
You can turn off the heat, pour the whole thing here. Ooh. Beautiful.
Yep. Just to make sure we don't have any
Yeah.
little bits in there.
And then strawberry.
all that good strawberry in there.
So now let's smoke this. The first, you need to have plastic wrap this whole thing. Right. And you're gonna use a lighter stuff and just turn this on.
There we go.
Oh wow, so smoky, so much going on. Woo! I think it's smoky enough.
All right. So we'll seal that up tight, make sure all the smoke stays in.
Yeah. Wow, Justin, look at this.
Yes.
Should we check it out?
We should.
Ooh, the smoke. Ooh.
It smells good.
Yeah, really smoky,
Smells
huh?
like a campfire in summer.
Yeah. I think you will have to give it a little bit stir so the smoke will go through the entire ice cream base. Now, the best time to taste this, right? Oh my God,
Ooh,
this
that's
is
good.
so good. It's really delicious.
Yummy.
It's like the smokiness and the savory and the sweetness of the strawberry. This is summer, a spoonful of summer right here. So now the ice cream base is ready. What you want to do is use plastic wrap to wrap it, put it in the fridge, let it rest for 12 hours. Wow, now the ice cream batter is made.
Oh yeah, that's smoky.
Yeah, it smells good. Let's make it.
All right.
Hey, so now we are just gonna turn the machine on and then pour the ice cream batter in the machine. Like that. And we want to make sure that you have a rubber spatula with you so you can get all the good stuff into your ice cream bowl. Yeah. Can you help me?
Yep.
Yeah, just scrape it. Well, Justin, I actually have a secret. So when you're not here, I make another batch of miso strawberry ice cream.
Okay.
It's slightly different from the one we just made. And I wonder, if you can tell the difference since you're a master chef, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna start with this one.
All right.
Ta-da! What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
Yep.
Great. Second one. Ta-da! Look exactly the same, but may taste different.
Does look the same.
What do you think?
That one's definitely different.
Different, huh?
I don't think this one has any smoke.
Oh, you're right. This is the batch we make together.
Okay.
Which one do you like better?
I like the one with the smoke. It's a little more complex, a little more savory.
Me too. I like that smokiness, It just kind of remind me of campfire.
Yeah.
Really cool.
Yeah.
So if you want to do some science experiment at home, you should smoke your ice cream. If you just want to keep it simple, don't smoke it. This is a wonderful recipe to try at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for choosing Cooking Beautifully, where memories are made.